everybody around this dam is losing money because all the businesses is closing or can't do business because of the hyacinths, the water quality. Everybody is losing money. When the fish was dying 2 years ago, it was all in this area, not around the other places in the dam because of oxygen and after rainstorms and stuff. So I think a lot of the water sewage and the stuff is coming in here, but it's not poison, it's not sewage that much. Maybe it makes the oxygen less, and it's overstock of fish in this dam. Okay, but the fish die always on this side, not at the sides of the dam. This is the Swartspruit River come into harvest. Most of the fish that always died is on this side of the dam because you can smell the sewage. The oxygen levels is low because of sewage. After rain, and when it rains, it brings more stuff down to the river, into the dam, and then the fish will die because of oxygen and quality of water. Very important, it's only the carp that died. No other species of fish.